to make them to fight each other. Okay, so if there is no divisions means what will happen? So they will stay at united. Okay, so here when the Bengal was divided, slowly the religious conflicts are broke out, and both sides they are fighting each other. Okay, they are fighting each other. So while they are fighting, then finally they will forget about the freedom struggle. So in this way, so the partition of Bengal was completed, and then immediately when the partition of Bengal was completed, then immediately so Balagangar Tilak and also the other Indian National Congress people, they asked to start the Vande Mataram movement. So Vande Mataram movement, and in the Bengal also they started Swadeshi movement. That means we should not use the foreign goods or foreign cloth which is brought by Britishers, so that at least by economically we can face the British rule, like that they thought. So that's why the Indian National Congress, mainly the Tilak and also the all the Indian National Congress leaders like Gopalakrishna Gokhale, okay, Surendranath Banerjee, so other important people. So like that they asked. So finally, this was not accepted for that. So just wait. Okay. Yes. So they asked to avoid the Swadeshi goods. Okay, Swadeshi goods means we should not use the foreign goods which are brought from British rule, and we should use our own cloth. And mainly those days the textile industry is having the high importance. Okay, textile industry, that means cloth industry. Cloth industry is having a lot of demand in the world. So that's why the Britishers, they are getting their foreign goods, foreign material from their own country, and they are selling for Indians. So they stopped using of this British made cloth, and they are using the Indian made cloth. So this is called as Swadeshi movement. And the other within this, that is called as the Vande Mataram movement. So Vande Mataram movement is this one only. Okay. So like this, the movements were broke out, and here we can see this one. Just we can see here on the day of partition of Bengal. On the day of partition of Bengal, on 16th October 1905, the day of partition of Bengal went effect and observed the Bengal as a day of mourning. So throughout the Bengal, so no cooking was done and shops and markets were closed. In Kolkata, Hartal was declared. People took out possession and bathed at Ganges in the morning, and then parades on the streets singing the Vande Mataram. People tried. So here we can see here how this movement was broke out. Okay, so all the peoples has did not cook their food in their houses when the partition of Bengal was started in this date, that is 16th October 1905. Okay, so this is called as just Vande Mataram movement also. So avoiding the Videshi goods and using the Swadeshi goods, so that is called as Swadeshi movement, and also the Vande Mataram movement. So they are attended for hartals and demonstrations. Okay, and they are raising the slogans of this Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram means so our country is great. Okay, so just what is that means? So just we are praising the name of our motherland, that is called as the Vande Mataram. Okay, so in this way the movement was started, and just we move forward. So here there are important peoples are there. At the same time, so in the year 1914 to 1919, so the World War I was started. You can see here the First World War. But here the important leaders you can see here: Lala Lajpat Rai, so Balagangar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, Annie Besant. So just the photos are given here. Next, the important thing is First World War. what are the things are going to happen at the time when the World War was broke out around the world. So what is the position of India? So that we are going to see now here. So here, first, okay, actually the World War One, how it was started means, so here there are two countries are there. Okay, same like as India and Pakistan. Here we can see this Austria. Austria is divided into two countries. One is small country, next one is the big country. So big country is called as the Austria, small country is called as Serbia. Now here, Austrian king was there. So his name is just Mr. Louis Franz Ferdinand. So this is the name of the president of Austria. So this is king's name, not president, he is a king. At the same time, his wife also is there, Miss Louis Franz Ferdinand. So Mr. Louis Franz Ferdinand and Miss Louis Franz Ferdinand. So both wife and husband are assassinated or killed by one of the Serbian tribe person. One of the Serb person. Okay, so here Austro group, Serbo groups, two tribal peoples are there. Okay, this was present in Europe, beside this Italy like that. Italy, Germany like that. So Austria is present in beside Germany, small country. So when this was killed by this Serb, immediately Austria declared war on Serbia. Okay, and immediately Serbia, as it is a very small country, it has taken the support from France. So France has given support for Serbia for defeating these armies of this Austria. Then immediately, so France army is very tough to defeat by these Austrians. Then immediately they ask the support of Italy, because Italy is the enemy of the France. Okay, so immediately Italy has given support for Austria, and then they are fighting each other with the armies. Next, after that, when Italy declared support for this, then immediately France asked the support of this UK, England. Then when England was given support, then the other side, so Germany was given support. So when the Germany and the UK has involved in the war was became very big one. Okay, so that is called as the World War One. So in the World War One, British people require a lot of army. So lot of soldiers is required. So they are recruiting from India. But before recruiting that, so they must ask the permission from the Indian national rulers, Indian national leaders. So for that, the Indians has given support. But before giving support, they asked some provisions in the constitution. That is, so we can see here in the year 1919, the INC peoples, they asked some provisions for Indians. There should be some provisions in the constitution. So in the constitution, there should be some provisions for India. So like that they demanded. So further British accepted, and some of the posts in the constitution has given for the Indians. So for this, India has given support. So what is the provisions made by Britishers for India means, so it is called as the 1919 Government of India Act. Government of India Act 1990. So this act was replaced in the Constitution of British India. So when this was given, then immediately they have given support for World War One. Okay, but actually this Government of India Act 1919 was very small provisions are there, not that much of big provisions. Okay, later Indians come to know that one. Okay, and here we can see this. That is here very important thing is, whatever when the movement was broke out, what is the position of our Andhra Pradesh? It is given here. What is the position of Andhra Pradesh means, here in Andhra Pradesh also there are some important leaders are there. Okay, so here one person was there, Mutnuri Krishna Rao. So his name is just Mutnuri Krishna Rao. Okay, so he is the founder of one newspaper. It is called as Krishna Patrika. Okay, Krishna Patrika, and he belongs to Machilipatnam. Okay, Machilipatnam. So it is a newspaper started by Mutnuri Krishna Rao. Okay, through this newspaper, as he is the editor, so he also spread the freedom struggle in India through his newspaper. And at the time, what is going on means that is Vande Mataram movement. Okay, so this important newspaper was plays an important role in India, in Andhra Pradesh mainly. Okay, and also in Tamil Nadu. So in Andhra and Tamil Nadu. So both are united at the time. But in Telugu language, so he was going to publish this paper, that is Krishna Patrika. Okay, and at this time you can see here